So, went to Five Below and we got some Bubs. Mine is sour scale lemon raspberry and hers is
banana and toffee.
You ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. I like this one. This one's good.
Yeah, but I'm gonna try yours and you gotta try mine.
Okay. What are you doing?
Oh, my bad.
I have to finish.
Cheers.
That's gonna.
That is foul. I don't like yours. I don't do sour.
That's our review. I kind of like those, even though they're not like banana. But yeah.
I like these. I don't do sour.
Okay, that's our review. Bye.